3 over 4
times
and
y.
the 2 over 3.
Good. So 3 over 4 times y is 3 over 4y. And then 3 over 4 times negative 2 is what?
2 negative 3 over
Good. So
2.
it was negative 6 over 4, and you simplified it to negative 3 over 2 equals 2 over 3 times y is 2 over 3y. And then 2 over 3 times positive 1 is just positive 2 over 3. Okay, so this is the part where you got confused. So we want to put all our like terms together. So we need to balance the equation. We have a left side of the equation and we have a right side. I'm going to draw an imaginary line. I like to keep my equal sign in the middle. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to put an equal sign here. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have 3 over 4y, and which other term is like 3 over 4y? Good. Excellent. Now this is a positive 2 over 3y. To get rid of it from the right side of the equation, we always have to do the opposite operation, right? So what is the opposite of positive plus?
Negative.
Negative. So what we're actually doing is we're taking it away, 2 over 3y. 2 over 3y, take away 2 over 3y, gets rid of it. But whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other side. Does that make sense? So in order to get rid of this, because I'm trying to isolate my variable, I want to get rid of that y from the right side, the variable term. So if I take it away from the right side, it's gone, right? So I have to take it away from the left side. So I have 3 over 4y, and I have to take away 2 over 3y because I did that on the right side. Whatever you do to the one side, you have to do to the other. Does that make sense so far?
But then...
So now, yes, you're right. We had another term on the left side. I had a negative 3 over 2. This negative is indicating that this fraction is negative, right? Negative 3 over 2. Or take away 3 over 2. What's the opposite of take away 3 over 2?
Positive.
So to get rid of this, I add, right? So that's gone now. It's gone. It's not here anymore. It's gone, right? So if I add 3 over 2 to the left side, what do I have to do to the right side?
You add 3 over 2.
Okay, so on the right side, I have 2 over 3, which I didn't touch. That stays there, just like this stayed here. And then I have to add 3 over 2. So now I have all my like terms together. So now I have to do 3 over 4y minus 2 over 3y on the left side. I can simplify that. And then I have to simplify the right side. So can you simplify that?
Yeah, I just...
So times 2,
and
times 2, times 3, times 3, good. Okay, so now what?
So then I do 1 over 12y.
How would you do that now?
So you have to multiply this
By
1 over 12,
1 over 12?
to get rid of...
Are you sure it's 1 over 12? Think again. What's the opposite of 1 divided by 12? What's the opposite of... Sorry, let me just tell your mom we're almost done. Sorry, we're just finishing the last question. Do you want to come in? Sorry. Okay, so what is it?
Your booklets with Sophia, okay, Thomas?
So
So if you want to wait, just wait. Once Stephanie's done.
Yep, so 13 times 12.
so this is
That's why, yep.
Yeah, look at them. So dedicated.
144 plus
Let me go
12.
grab her a drink of water. I'll be right back.
Yeah, we're almost done. 1 second.
6
How many times does 6 go into 156? Here, I'll just end it. I know you know how to do it. But perfect. Okay, let's go talk to your mom and Mike can